So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add bullet points to a presentation here on Keynote. So once Keynote's opened up, just go to the top here and let's just press on text for this example. Now, if I were just to press text right here, I'll just type in bullet points. I'll make it a little bit larger as well so it's a little easier for you guys to see. Just like that. So the simplest way to do it would be to, if you just press in front of bullet points right here, and you were to press like a dash, for example, just like that. If you were to press on enter, it'll manually update it as well. So number 2, number 3, etc. But if you want custom bullet points or to change this your own way, I can just type in here. So let me just get rid of this. Let me just get rid of this here quick. I'll go to text right here. I will type in bullet point, just like that. Press on the text, go to the right to where it says bullets and list. You can go ahead and add a bullet point just like that. You can change the type of bullets that you're looking for. So if you wanted to change this to an image or change this to a letter, whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and play around that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to, I guess, add bullet points to your presentation on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.